Hello everyone. Hi Sagittarius. This is the reading for you, December weekly reading. And this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest. And energy could be vice versa, guys. Take what resonate. So let's see what's going on. Your messages, Sagittarius. Sagittarius. Fire sign. Oh, Sagittarius. Your card, Temperance. First card is yours. This is your reading. Absolutely. There is no doubt. Wow. I think for some you are in separation. You are your person, but I think there is reconciliation I am seeing here. Definitely your person maybe approached you or you approached your person. Some communication because King of Swords is here. And yeah, you are waiting patiently for the right time to come. And your person may be waiting for the right time to come towards you, or you are also waiting patiently for the right time. Definitely Six of Swords. This could be long distance relationship, guys. But you both are soulmates. See, Two of Cups. There is love between both of you. Equal love. And this connection is also protected by angels, definitely. And I think your person may be in and out of your life in past, but now they are coming back. Yeah. If you are in separation, definitely your person is coming back for reconciliation. If you recently started talking to your person, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level, guys. Because King of Cups with King of Pentacles and the Star, definitely they are seeing you as a star to their life. Definitely they are seeing you as a star, and there are a lot of emotions for you. They have a lot of emotions because King of Cups and the stability is also coming in. Yeah, they want to take this relationship to next level. Yeah, Judgment with King of Swords. Definitely some honest communication. Some communication is going to be happen between both of you in near future, or it is already started between both of you, Sagittarius. And I think you are very honest person you are very honest in this connection, Sagittarius, and you are very straightforward. Yeah, you always there for your person. I think some honest communication. Your person will also want to express the true feelings to you this time. Judgment. I think some major decisions. I think you may be taking some major decisions, or your person. Judgment is here. And Five of Pentacles, separation, cold showering. Definitely this is going to be, and for some still there is some separation between both of you, but your person is coming back to offer solid love and stability. Yeah, Temperance, it's your card. Definitely you are waiting patiently, and you want balance in this connection, because in past there is no balance between both of you, and there is no equal give and take also. You only the person always invest in this connection, but your person is in and out of your life. There is no stability and commitment, but now your person want to take this relationship to next level, Sagittarius. Yeah, this time they are very serious. If you are in separation, your person also hopes for this connection. Yeah, hoping for reconciliation and take this relationship to next level. Here what I am saying, signs, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, or Sagittarius, or water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth sign. They are coming back with love and solid offer, and stability is coming in. So let's pull some cards. Your person current feelings and the near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. Sagittarius, your person current feelings. First we will see, then their actions. Princess of Wands, the Moon, Nine of Wands. I think your person could be Pisces, water sign. Princess of Wands, definitely some communication, and one person in this connection may be anger than the other person. The Moon, definitely there are some disturbances between both of you still now going. But Nine of Wands, I think your person won't give up on you, or you won't give up on them, definitely. Because there is a lot of passion is there between both of you guys. But there are some misunderstandings are there. When you both start talking with each other, definitely those misunderstandings are go away, there is no doubt, because your person coming back with solid offer, they're thinking about that. Yeah, they want to fix the things between both of you. And nine of wands, I am seeing here that they won't give up on you because there is a lot of passion and your person is attracted to you. Yeah, you or your person could be Pisces or fire sign Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Let's see the near future actions towards you. See, Knight of Wands, I already told you there is a lot of passion between both of you. Gemini. Wow, 2 times the star card. Definitely they want, there is love. They love you. There is no doubt, because the lovers with star. Definitely they see you as a star. And Knight of Wands, there is a lot of passion. They are coming back with a lot of passion, and love is there, passion is there, and stability is coming. Sagittarius. Okay, this is very, very positive reading for you guys. Reconciliation, those who are in separation, definitely there will be reconciliation. The lovers card is here. Definitely there is love. You or your person could be Gemini or Aquarius. The star card, definitely you both are wishing the same thing. You both are on the same page. You both want to take this relationship to next level. Sagittarius, there is a lot of passion I am seeing here. So you or your person could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or Gemini or Aquarius. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future outcome. Nine of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles. Yeah, I think you may be working on your career and finances, Sagittarius. Yeah, you are achieving some financial stability, independence financially. I think you are now independent on financially and emotionally also. You are super stable, because Temperance you got. You are very stable. You have so much patience also. You, yeah, Nine of Cups, wish fulfillment. Wow, see, 9 of Cups to 10 of Cups. Wow, definitely reconciliation 100%. There is a chances, very, very few, very, very less. There are, depending upon your situation, but most of you will reconcile, because 6 of Pentacles, 9 of Cups and 10 of Cups. See, 9 to 10, definitely wish fulfillment. You both are wishing for the same. Definitely you both having this happiness in near future. Definitely 10 of Cups, your person want this happiness with you guys. Yeah, and 6 of Pentacles, yeah, in past there is no equal give and take between both of you. Now your person want to offer equal give and take, and I think you are now super stable, Sagittarius. This your card what I am getting here, because you are having so much patience, and you are achieving your goals, and you are working hard towards your goals. Okay, definitely you will achieving some financial stability. You are creating some money making, whatever. Definitely some money making what I am seeing here. Definitely some new job, new creativity. You started something new in your life, and you will get success also. You will get success in there. Yeah, for some you already seeing the results, but yeah, your person coming back to offer equal give and take. Yeah, you both are wishing for the same. 9 of Cups, your wishes are granted, because 10 of Cups, reconciliation. Wow, this relationship is going to be next level. Okay, so let's see your overall energy for the week, Sagittarius, and signs. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Okay, Page of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Knight of Swords, the Devil. Definitely there is some obsession, guys, between both of you. I think you both are obsessed with each other. I think this energy is for some creating some resistance, but I think this energy will be going away, because these are very positive energies. Your person could be Capricorn. Yeah, they're rushing towards you, some communication. And Queen of Pentacles, it's you. You are very sharing and caring person. And Page of Swords, communication, spying. Definitely there are some communications, some messages are coming in your way. Honest communication, heart to heart conversations, what I am getting here. You both will talk with each other Heart to heart. Okay, there will be heart to heart conversations, what I am getting here. So you or your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Princess of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Wheel of Fortune, Two of Swords. Yeah, I think in past your person may be at some crossroads. Now they realize they are going to be choose you. There is no doubt. Wheel of Fortune, definitely they are waiting for the right time. And Ten of Pentacles, yeah, they are ready to offer stability. I already told you stability is coming in. And Princess of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. This time they have clarity what to do and what not to do. Yeah. You or your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, and Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah. Wow. Heart to heart conversation, stability, love, passion. Wow. Very, very positive reading for you guys. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you. Bye.